Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Zopa savings account. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of savings accounts with competitive interest rates and low fees. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of opening and managing a Zopa savings account. First, you need to open a Zopa account, which can be done online or through the Zopa mobile app. You will need to provide some personal details, such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as proof of identity and address. Once your account is open, you can deposit money into your savings account using a debit card or by setting up a direct debit. To manage your Zopa savings account, you can use the online portal or the mobile app. The app allows you to check your balance, view your transaction history, and make withdrawals. You can also set up savings goals and track your progress towards them. One of the key features of Zopa savings accounts is the ability to earn interest on your savings. The interest rate will depend on the type of account you have and the amount of money you have saved. You can choose from a range of accounts, including fixed-rate bonds and easy access accounts. To get the most out of your Zopa savings account, it is a good idea to set up a regular savings plan. This can be done by setting up a direct debit to transfer a fixed amount of money into your savings account each month. You can also set up alerts to remind you when your savings goals are approaching. In terms of security, Zopa uses state-of-the-art encryption to protect your personal and financial information. Your savings are also protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which means that your money is safe up to a certain amount. To withdraw money from your Zopa savings account, you can use the online portal or the mobile app. You can also set up a debit card to access your money at ATMs or in stores. It is a good idea to keep your debit card details safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In conclusion, using a Zopa savings account is a straightforward process that can help you earn interest on your savings and reach your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can open and manage a Zopa savings account with ease. Remember to always keep your account details safe and secure, and to set up a regular savings plan to get the most out of your account.